Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo error code 9010-1110. The error reads, an error has occurred. Your smart device's time is not synchronized correctly. Please check. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error mainly comes when using Nintendo Music, and the error is mainly triggered because the device's time settings are not properly synchronized. According to our research, the error is caused by incorrect time synchronization on the device, which prevents proper communication with Nintendo services. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and then try again. If the error still comes, check your device's time settings. Make sure the time is set correctly and properly synchronized. Once corrected, try again and check for the error. If the error persists, try switching between setting the time manually and automatically. Adjust the settings, then restart your console and then test Nintendo Music again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.